When it comes to your roof, preventing problems before they happen is key. At Stokes Roofing, they've got your back. In this video, we're looking at the top 5 roofing challenges every homeowner needs to know to protect their home, and how Stokes Roofing, a locally owned family business since 2015, helps prevent costly nightmares.
Because your roof is not just shingles and nails, it's your home's first line of defense against the elements.
Whether your roof is 5 years old or 25,
knowing what can go wrong and how to stop it can save you thousands. And in a moment, I'll share a yearly checklist Stokes Roofing gives clients to catch issues before they spiral out of control and cause damage you can't see right away.
But before we get into it, if you like this local content, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel and the local businesses that are a part of the Peterborough Kawartha Life Network.
Challenge 1. Hidden leaks and water damage. A roof can look fine from the ground, but tiny cracks around flashing, vents, or shingles let water seep in. Left unchecked, it causes mold, weakens your structure, and ruins insulation. Stokes Roofing knows exactly where to look, and their inspections catch leaks early, giving homeowners real peace of mind. Challenge 2. Storm and hail damage. In the Kawarthas, wind, hail, and heavy rain are common. Damage isn't always obvious. A slightly lifted shingle today could be tomorrow's leak. Insurance companies often deny late claims, leaving you with the bill. Stokes Roofing offers thorough storm inspections and works directly with adjusters so you're not left fighting the process on your own. Challenge 3. Ice dams in winter. Kawartha winters bring ice dams when melted snow refreezes along the roof edge, trapping water that leaks inside. The damage can be severe if left alone. Stokes Roofing prevents ice dams with proper insulation, ventilation, and water shields, solving the issue at its source rather than just patching the symptoms. Challenge 4. Energy efficiency and ventilation. Your roof impacts energy bills more than you think. Poor ventilation traps heat in summer and moisture in winter, raising costs and shortening shingle life. Stokes Roofing installs complete roofing systems that balance airflow, lower monthly bills, and extend the overall lifespan of your roof. Challenge 5. Repair versus replace. Do you fix your roof or replace it? Too many spend money on endless repairs when a replacement would save more in the long run. Others replace far too early and waste money. Stokes Roofing offers honest evaluations, clear timelines, and straightforward options. Never pushy sales tactics, just the truth so you can make the right decision. And here's the bonus. Their 10-point yearly checklist, free when you call. It helps homeowners spot issues early, plan ahead, and avoid costly surprises. So those are the top 5 roofing concerns Kawartha homeowners face and why families trust Stokes Roofing. From leaks and storm damage to energy savings and honest advice, they've built a reputation right here in our community for protecting homes and keeping families safe.
Stokes Roofing has a nearly 5-star Google rating and have won many community awards for outstanding customer service.
Reach out to Stokes Roofing today. Their contact information, website, and social links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting local.